Hello everyone, it's been a hiatus in doing Find and Drive, so this is my first one of 2023. I'm just doing kind of a scouting mission to Green River Road, and this is the Green River Headworks Road. So I just thought I'd get out. It's been a while, and since there's no snow, probably check it out. So hopefully this is good, but at least it's a kickoff for the year and more drives to come. I have a lot planned, especially some of the ones I found at the end of last year. So see you out there. Well, that was short and sweet. Oh my gosh! I swear, I looked on Google Earth, I did the whole thing, but at least now I can add it to like one of the, when you do stuff where you add to the map. You know, this is one of the risks of doing these sort of exploratory drives. I had hoped that it would go through, but apparently, as you saw, I was told to keep out explicitly. So it's a good like mini episode to start the year off. I'm hoping to do more drives, many more drives actually this year, and maybe even some longer distance trips to my friends and family in California. Other than that, it was nice to get on the road again, do some like longer distance driving. These roads are kind of fun. There's a lot of people. You can kind of tell that there's a lot of cars out here. People are doing similar kind of things where they're taking drives, because these aren't cars that I would normally associate in a rural setting. I keep saying I hate that. So here's my obligatory dance for the year, start of the year. So we will